By the end of this video, you will have a complete career roadmap, a clear picture of where you are going, what's in your way, and exactly what to do in the next 90 days to move forward. This is an exercise I walk every client through in our first session. I'm giving it to you for free. Grab a piece of paper. Let's go. A quick word on why I am the right person to walk you through this. I've spent 20 years as a senior leader in global tech organizations, and I founded herAcademy to take what I learned across those decades and make it practical and accessible for women at mid-level. This roadmap exercise is what I use with every single client. It works because it's built on real career patterns, not generic advice. Most people don't have a career roadmap. They have a vague direction. I want to be a senior engineer, or I want to move into management. That's not a roadmap, that's a wish. A roadmap has 4 things: a clear destination, an honest assessment of where you are now, the gaps between the two, and a prioritized list of actions to close those gaps. Without all 4, you are just hoping. Step 1. Define your destination with precision. Don't write, I want to be senior engineer. Write this: in 18 months, or whatever months is in your scope, I want to be put the specific title you want to achieve at a specific type of company you want to work, then doing what? Write the type of work you want to do and then add your earning. What is your target salary range? With a specific impact or team scope you have. The more specific, the more useful. Now, use this formula, write yours. Don't skip this. Everything else is built on it. Step 2. Assess where you are right now, honestly. I want you to rate yourself in 4 areas: technical skills, leadership skills, visibility, and relationships. 1 to 10 for each. Not where you want to be, where you actually are. The areas below 7 are your gaps. Don't judge them, map them. This is the data, not criticism. Step 3. Close the gaps with specific actions, not goals. Goals are improve my leadership skills. Actions are ask my manager for 1 high visibility project this quarter. For each gap you identify, write 1 concrete action you can do in the next 30 days. This is where I see the biggest shift in my client at herAcademy. The moment a vague frustration becomes a list of things they can actually do. 1 action per gap. That's it. Step 4. Build accountability. A roadmap with no review mechanism is just a document. Set a monthly 30-minute appointment with yourself. Put it in your calendar right now to review your roadmap. What did you do? What moved? What got in the way? Adjust and continue. The women I coach who do this monthly review are the ones who hit their goals. The ones who don't. Now you have a roadmap, not a wish, a plan. In the comments, tell me, what's your destination? Write it out. Saying it publicly makes it real. And I want to celebrate where you are headed. This is what herAcademy is here for. To make sure that your career growth is intentional, not accidental. Subscribe for weekly strategies. And if this helped you, share it with one woman in tech who needs a direction today.